Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram filters not working issue. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If your Instagram filters are not working, then the first thing you'll need to do is restart your application. Go to your device's settings menu and tap it on. Now from this page, tap on apps. You can search it on the search box at the top. Once you tap on Instagram, simply go to the bottom right and tap on for stop. In order to force up your app, tap on OK, friendly pop-up, go back to Instagram and see for yourself. If it fixes your issue, if not, then you can go and try rebooting your phone. That means go and turn off your Android or your iOS and turn it back on again. Once you do that, it can free up some RAM, force clear some of the caches, and cause your phone to reload and app refresh. The next thing you can go and try out is go to your settings and try clearing the app cache. From the settings menu, tap on apps, find Instagram from the list of applications, and once you do that, tap on storage and tap on clear cache at the bottom right. You can also tap on clear data at the bottom left, and from the pop-up, select OK. After you do that, you'll need to sign into your Instagram account one more time. The next thing you can try out is go to your Play Store and search for Instagram and see that if it has been updated to its latest version. Those were some of the fixes you can try out whenever you are not being able to use filters on Instagram. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.